demonstration, we are going to explore the Azure Global Infrastructure. Please pay attention because the things that you gather in this demonstration is going to be very, very important for you because we are talking about regions here. So you need to get a lot of information about the region. I'm going to open a new tab and I will go to Google. I will type Azure Global Infrastructure. This is supposed to, so from here, I will see Azure Global Infrastructure. I think this is it. So I'll click on it. I can see Azure Global Infrastructure. So grow with confidence and sure is on a trusted, sustainable, and advanced cloud and AI infrastructure. 60 plus Azure region, 300 plus data centers. So, and Azure has more region than any other cloud provider. So let's explore global data center now. And this will also open another tab. And this is the URL, datacenters.microsoft.com/globe/explore. And it's actually loading the global Azure infrastructure experience. So once it finishes loading, we're going to see the map of the world and we can flip from one end to another to check certain region. For example, you can see the globe now. Now let's look at certain part of the world. This map is the map of South America. And in South America, there are certain Azure global resources there, but not all of them are region. For example, this one, so anywhere you see this is not region. So if I click on it, is what? Is a network pop. It's like a location where it relays information. And you can see the same network pop is here. And if you see this white round symbol, it's white, but it's round. What does it mean? It simply means that it's a region, but it's still not active. So it's like it's a region that they are still building. And so you can see now as I click on this one, this is Chile Central. And it said the region is coming soon. So it's not even the product is coming soon. Everything is coming soon. So they are still building the region. But this region is in Santiago in Chile. And that's where the data center is. But let's look at the only region that is active in South America right now, and that is this one, Brazil South. If I click on the Brazil South, you give me all those information. This is the location, is in Sao Paulo State. And it's replicating its data to another region in US. This region was opened in the year 2014, and the region has 3 availability zones. You can say available with 3 zones. So there is zone 1, 2, and 3. So we will talk more about zones later. And you're going to see the essence of this zone. And if you scroll down, you will see more information about this region. For instance, the global compliance, like standards, SOC 3, SOC 2, SOC 1. These are security compliance. ISO 9001 is for I think that's quality assurance. Yes, ISO 9001 is quality assurance. This is an information security 27701. So, and you can see there are more, global compliance there. Even CSA star, there are a lot of them, 27001 and so on. Even PCI DSS, because you're going to use your card there. PCI stands for payment card industry. So you can check a lot of information about this particular region. And you can see it said if you click on this link now, you can learn more about that replication. If you click on this, you can learn more about the year was open and other information. That is the only region that is active right now in South America. Let's go to another area. Let's go to Africa. You can see Africa. In Africa, I can only see one region, and this region is in where? South Africa North. And you can see all those information you saw are also here. Like this region is where? Is in Johannesburg. And it was opened in year 2019 with 3 availability zones, and all those global compliance you saw were also present here. I can always click here to get more information. You can see we just have one in Africa, the whole of Africa. We have one in South America. But then if you flip to this side of the map, this is the North America where we have Canada, United States, and Mexico. Mexico is somewhere here. Mexico is somewhere here. And if you look at this is the only region in Mexico. I can't find another region that is in Mexico. The one that is close to this is in US. So this is the only region in Mexico, and even this one, they're all in the US. So this is Mexico. And where is Canada? Canada is somewhere here. So let's look at this Canada East, this Canada Central. So there are two regions in Canada, Canada Central and Canada East. And we have one region in Mexico. You see the other ones that you're seeing here, they are regions that are located inside the United States of America. If I flip from that side of the map to this side of the map, no, this is what? This is Europe. This is Europe. And you can see we have a lot of data centers in Europe, like Spain, Centrals, and a lot of them like that. If you flip from that Europe, this will take you to the Middle East. This is the Middle East, Qatar Central, I know, UAE, and Israel. You can see some regions right there in the Middle East. And this is, India. This is also Asia, but this is India. We have Central India, we have South India. And if you flip it, these are the Asian parts of the world, like this is China. All of these ones are in China. This is Korea, Japan, and so on. And if you come somewhere here, this is Oceania, and we have Australia East, Australia Central, and Australia Southeast. So you can always visit this globe so as to get latest information about region, because anytime you want to create a new resources, you must select a particular region where you want that resources to reside. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing to this channel. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and do not forget to leave a like and share this video. See you in the next one.